Hey, well, yo, what's up? Let me move this real quick. Hey, what up, you guys? So right now, on my way to pick up my package. Finally, Hybrid Racing wants to ship out my no-cut shifter. So, you know, I've been waiting for about, what's today? January, so February, March, April. Almost 4 months. So I've ordered with Hybrid Racing early January, and they finally shipped out my shifter. But the thing is, I have to go pick it up in a different city because that's where I used to live, and I moved out already, and I forgot to change the address. That's my fault. But now I'm stuck in traffic, and it's gonna take me some time. But Hybrid Racing, y'all need to step up your game, man. Like, you guys wanna make, you know, K-swap product and stuff like that, and you guys don't even have stuff on, you know, on hand. You guys don't even have it in stock. Yeah, I get it. You guys make good stuff, but if you guys make good stuff and you know it's gonna sell out, then why not have it in stock already? You know what I'm saying? Like, why not make a whole, why not mass produce like a whole bunch of them? Because you know it's gonna go out of stock. And that's the thing. Like, a lot of these stuff on your website, you know, you click on it and it goes, oh, you know, you guys don't have it in stock until like this day or that day, or yeah, you know, and it sucks. And especially with the shifter, it kept getting pushed back, you know. So and I'll hit you guys up, and you guys go, oh, you know, it'll be ready in a couple of weeks. We're waiting for this, waiting for that, you know, the base plate to be made, and then a couple of weeks later, I hit you guys up. Oh, you know, this, that happened, this and that happened. You guys keep pushing them back, and I think that's like totally BS, you know. And what do you guys do to accommodate that? You know, you guys gave me a shifter, okay? I mean, not shifter, but a shift knob. Like, come on, man, come on, Hybrid Racing. Like, step your game up, dude. Like, step it up. That's pretty much all I gotta say about you guys. You guys are cool. You guys make good stuff. I get it, but you know, 3 months for a product that you guys should have on hand already. That's BS, man. But anyways, time to go pick up this package, and then I'll show you guys once I get it. Yeah, traffic. Dang you, traffic. So, an hour and a half later, I got my package. I'm starving. Let's open it up. Ooh. Let's see what they got. I mean, yeah, they hooked it up with a shift knob. Yeah. That's money. That's clean. I like this. It's smaller than I thought. I thought it was a lot bigger in picture. Yeah. I mean, it looks bigger in picture. I mean, I just thought it was gonna be bigger. I thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. And then we have the actual shifter. No cut. Waiting for months. Never gonna put this on anything. Trash. Hardware. Ooh, look at you. You're beautiful. Yo. Oh, damn. Okay. Finally. Dude, I'm loving the color combo though. So clean. Go on there. Have a look at this. It's just a plastic or like a film, plastic film, so it comes off. Yeah, it's pretty dope. Badass. Badass. So that's pretty much it. Sucks because for the next couple weeks I'll be really busy and I won't be able to install it yet and I can't show you guys. But it should be easy, you know, 2 bolts that'll mount up and then the other 2 you gotta drill, put them on. So yeah, just give me a couple weeks and I'll have an installation video up. But anyways, that's my little rant about highway racing. It's a love-hate thing with them, man, so that's all I gotta say. So as always, man, love, peace, and chicken grease, man.